Now we are going to solve few examples of practice set number 13, that is division of fractions of the lesson operations on fractions. So let's solve first question, that is write the reciprocals of the following numbers. Let's solve first example. We have to find the reciprocal of 7. We have learned that the product of when the product of two numbers is 1, we have learned that when the product of two numbers is 1, each of the number is said to be multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of others. It means that when the product of two numbers we get 1, then each number is multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of others. So we can write 7 as 7 upon 1. If we multiply it by 1 upon 7, we get 1. How we get that? Which is 7 upon 1. If we multiply it by 1 upon 7, we get 7 into 1 is 7. 1 into 7 is 7, which is equal to 1. So, the reciprocal of multiplicative inverse of 7 is 1 upon 7. So we get the reciprocal of 7, 1 upon 7. Similarly, we can solve another example. We have to find the reciprocal of 11 upon 30. We know that the product of two number, if the product of two number is 1, each number is said to be multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of other. So we can write it as 11 upon 30 into 3 upon 11 is equal to 1. So we get 3 upon 1, 3 upon 11 as the reciprocal of 11 upon 3. In this way we can solve the rest of the examples of the reciprocals. Now let's solve another example, question number 2. That is, carry out the following division. First example, 2 upon 3 divided by 1 upon 4. We know that we have to divide 2 upon 3 by 1 upon 4. To divide a number by a fraction is to multiply it by a reciprocal of that fraction. We have learned that to divide a number is to multiply it by its reciprocal. So we get 2 upon 3 into the reciprocal of 1 upon 4 is 4 upon 1. So we get 2 upon 3 into 4 upon 1, which is equal to 2 into 4 upon 3 into 1, which is equal to 2 4s are 8, 8 upon 3 1s are 3, which can be written as 8. Now let's solve another example. Second example, 5 upon 9 divided by 3 upon 2. Here also we can multiply, which is equal to 5 upon 9 into reciprocal of another number 2 upon 3. We get 5 into 2 upon 9 into 3, which is equal to 5 to the 10 upon 9 is 27, which is written as 10 upon 27. So answer of 5 upon 9 divided by 3 upon 2 is 10 upon 27. In the similar way, we can solve the examples of practice set number 30.